Tea is without doubt one of the most well-known beverages during the planet, with tens of millions consuming each day and every day and a large number of cups served each minute. The five types are black tea, green tea, white tea, pu red tea, and oolong tea. Amid this, green tea is considered the most marketed and commercialized as a consequence of its detoxifying outcomes and fat reduction benefits. Should you be preparing to acquire green tea tablets, examine it to begin with total tea leaves and identify when the processed solutions are better than the original. Listed here is an overview. Creating the tablets. Green tea tablets are processed variations of entire tea leaves which are categorized as herbal or nutritional dietary supplements. They are readily available in overall health meals, merchants, medications, shops, and online dietary websites and pharmacies. Although they are current in many healthcare and well-being businesses, the effects are certainly not scientifically and clinically authorized. They may be, nevertheless, regulated because of the FDA or Meals and Drugs Administration, and therefore are considered safe. Nonetheless, if you wish to get the complete great things about green tea, the pure kind of complete leaves is usually a more sensible choice. Tablets ended up created as the way for businesses to earn much more, banking about the popularity of the solutions. The companies intended to create these an element of every person's daily routine, taken along with their day-to-day multivitamin. The approaches made thousands and thousands of bucks for companies. Shoppers, however, tend not to realize the correct outcomes in the capsules and exactly how they will make a lot more from their buys. The meaning of processed. Green tea tablets are processed dietary and herbal dietary supplements, which imply that these no longer possess the same complete and pure results as traditional green tea leaves. Pretty much all makers of supplements will include fillers and processed products to form a whole capsule. The processing solutions also vary, but normally dilute the green tea as a result primarily to lower efficacy. Firms have discovered quite a few approaches to market the capsules otherwise for different consumers. These are green tea capsules for weight loss, capsules for improved strength and aim, pills for much better sleep and stress relief, etc. The truth is, you'll be able to really get each one of these positive aspects from just one cup of tea at a lower price. Other organizations also add processed ingredients to represent a single capsule or capsules. Hence, the purely natural way of detoxifying is going to be altered. Capsules are usually not pure by themselves and will not involve different other substances like caffeine, ginseng, and extracts from other herbs and plants. Blocking sickness. Green tea is understood to noticeably reduce the results of drugs and alcohol. If somebody is intoxicated by alcohol, prescription drugs or recreational prescription drugs, it'd be far better to flush out the poisons by drinking entire tea leaves steeped in warm water than taking green tea capsules. Absorption is likewise far better since the leaves are natural and all natural, therefore, the system will easily soak up and accept the nutrients and antioxidants. Common tea leaves are tested through centuries of consuming to detox your body and decrease the probability of cancer, diabetes, heart problems, mental diseases like Alzheimer's and Parkinson's, stroke, and heart assault. Green tea tablets have yet established its efficacy since it is just a relatively new idea created just about 20 decades ago. On price tag, a bottle of green tea supplements or extract will price tag about $20 to $40, with every container obtaining 50 to 100 tablets. A daily box of 20 green tea bags will cost less than $10 and might be infused several moments to become taken 3 to 5 periods in one day. The unfastened or bagged versions are also pure forms of the tea, which means that people get more in the wellness and weight loss advantages in contrast towards the capsule or processed kind. Each goods are readily accessible in well-being foodstuff retailers and groceries. In terms of dosage, persons are also supposed to take just 3 or maybe more green tea tablets on an everyday basis. Consuming one particular cup of tea on a daily basis will now render positive aspects equal to 3 or more tablets, without having the unwanted effects. A standard means of drinking tea also relieves tension tremendously, and that is why international locations like China, Japan, Korea, Plus the UK continue on to get the products precisely the same way the ancient people did hundreds of years ago.